Hi guys, SamH here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon again. I want to show you guys a new arrival here. It is a pre-owned leisure travel Unity. This is the well-known Murphy bed floor plan. This is a 2019. Got Rod behind the camera helping me out, and we'll take a step in here and take a look. This is very, very well taken care of. Like all of our pre-owned RVs, we're really picky when it comes to that. But this one is just an exceptional condition. It's got the nice leisure lounge here. These do rotate to face each other. You've got your main table that comes down. Nice L-shaped kitchen back here, 2-burner LP, and then your fridge across the way. And then Rod, I'll have you take a look back in the bathroom. It's what folks really, really like about this floor plan is you've got a whole lot of space there in the back, and then the front really just reserved for your living space. But we hope you give us a call here, and let us answer any questions you've got about this model in particular, or we've got a whole lot of used leisure travels, and we are also a leisure travel dealer, so we're happy to answer any questions. Again, my name is Sam Howell. Ask for Rod if I'm available. Thanks.